Kayak. We are in Big Lagoon in El Nido, and we make kayak right now, as you can see. And we make kayak too. Look at this man. He's so got a big body. We make kayak. He's super serious. Tori on the way. Monkey on the way is here right now. Yeah, you see the monkey on the way? You see that? Mahal, we need to be there. Oh, look at that. I'm super scared. I trust you, love, but this is the first. Oh my. Sorry. This is how I make. We need to be there, love. You're the driver, right? Oh, this would be nice. Look at the view. Palawan is the best for tourists. So if you want to go to Philippines, don't forget to visit the Palawan El Nido. And now we are going to Big Lagoon. They call it Big Lagoon. You know, with that. People, everyone make kayak. Wow, my monkey on the way is a professional, huh? He drives so good. Look at that. Monkey on the... This is your first time, my love. It looks like you're an expert already. Look at monkey on... Wow. Paradise. Look at it. Yeah, I make video already, love. Look at that mountain. Yeah. I think my driver is not a professional. Sorry, guys. He make it slowly, and if we go to other way, it's that way. Oh my God! Why we go to the middle, Marco? We're supposed to go there. Oh my God, monkey on the way. I think he lost already. We go to other side. Oh my goodness. Sorry, Lord. Look at that, guys. This is paradise. El Nido is the best. Oh my God. People is nice. You know, they always smiling. You can approach them any moment. Yeah. This is a private beach. You know. It's gonna work like this. See? Wow.
You gotta try.
I make. Wow. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Sorry. Sorry, excuse me.
Monkey on the way. Please don't forget to subscribe his channel. Monkey on the way, Tori on the way, you know. Now we're gonna go back. This kayak is very good, you know.